Aloha. It is me, okay. Hello, it is me, Lily, and today we are going to be making fluffy glow-in-the-dark slime. So let's do it! So what I have is glow-in-the-dark glue, my shaving cream, my magical liquid, my glitter, and my stirring. Oh wait, where's my stirring? Oh, right here. This doesn't work, so I can do it right here. So let's just get started. I'm gonna start with the glue. Yeah. Jeez, that's hard to open, man. Oh my god, that was so much. I just used half of the bottle in one squirt. Okay, this is how much I have. I'm gonna add my glitter. I have pink, gold, and silver. Just a little bit. Wait. That wasn't me. That was it. Oh my. And musically, what happened to you? Why'd you turn into TikTok? Hello, darkness. That's besides the point. Let's just do this. Oh, jeez. Well, that's enough gold for one day. Ooh, jeez, my camera glitched. Okay, this is so pretty. Mix. Oh my god, it is so glittery. Look at that. It's so glittery. Shimmery. That's what I should say. And this gets so thick, but shaving creams help loosen it up. So now I'm gonna add my shaving cream. Raspberry scented. Go fast. Oh my god. Just go. I'm just going ham, you know. You gotta get that shaving cream. Mix that one way. Oh my god, smell this. It smells so good, right? It smells like raspberry, forgot that company, but it smells like raspberry pomegranate juice, and it smells exactly like that, and it smells so good, man. Oh my god, this is so perfect. This is the perfect amount. It's like stretchy. Okay, maybe I actually need to add some color now because it's actually like no color now. So I'm going to mix some purple and pink together. Purple and pink together, and make one color. So add a little bit of purple and a little bit of pink. Ew, that's liquidy. Ew, but okay. Now we're gonna mix. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Look how pretty that sheet is. Look how pretty this is. Tell me what you wanna add. You $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away. Okay, this is so pretty now. Now I'm just gonna start smell that shaving cream. It smells so good. She won't mind. I don't even know. She never minds. I'm just gonna start slowly activating with my magical liquid. Elmer's sponsored me because I use so. You don't understand how much I buy from you. You're a lifesaver. That's literally all I need. There's a couple drops and it already starts activating. Like, isn't that crazy? Okay, this isn't activating for some reason. It's not even starting. I keep getting it on me. That's so weird. I think it's the paint. Paint's making it not activate. There, now it's activating. There. Okay, I'm gonna start kneading. With my left hand. It's very sticky stuff. Definitely need more activator. I feel it coming together. I just need more. Yeah, this should be it. Yay! Now it's actually coming together. So I add 5 million gallons of activator. I still don't want to use my right hand yet. I swear, this thing's really weird. It starts activating and then it stops activating. Come on, please work. Oh crap, I got it. Glue bottle. Give me that glue. Activator. Okay, this better work. Like, I'm getting frustrated at this point. Like, it's not activating. I don't get the thing. Oh no. I can't get this off my hands. Ew. it's starting. It's actually starting to work now. I'm just gonna need a little bit more activator, and by a little bit, you know what I mean. Oh, jeez. Okay, now this is totally activated. And it's finally slime after I added, like, a lot of my activator. And I had to keep working. That it's finally becoming slime. Oh, crap. I have a cut and it's getting in there. And it really hurts. That's beside the point. This has been 11 minutes. So I'm gonna hurry this up. Hang on, I just gotta do the rest of this, and then I will be good. Really quickly because the video, I can't pause it. Oh my god, it's activated. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love this. Thank you, heaven, for this. Look how cute this is. You don't even see. This is so cute and pretty. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I think I already said that. Yeah, I think I did. This is so perfect now. It's like jiggly, but not at the exact same time. It's fluffy too. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will be showing a slime haul after this video and the next video posts. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!